Growing up is realizing that you have the free will to go on creative side quests and make your life more magical. You don't have to wait for a special occasion or buy an entirely new aesthetic. Today, I'm going to show you 10 easy ideas to make your everyday life feel just a little more whimsical. You don't need a huge craft project to make your day feel a little more magical. Sometimes all it takes is adding a tiny bit of personality to the things you use every day. For this DIY, you can either use sticker paper or stick some craft tape onto a non-stick surface. Then, put on some lipstick and make kiss marks all over the paper. Cut them out and you'll end up with a bunch of super cute sticker kisses. It's amazing how such a tiny detail can make ordinary objects feel so much more special. Once you start decorating one thing, it's hard to stop. One of my favorite ways to romanticize life is by making everyday moments feel like an event. Even a simple movie night feels so much more memorable when your snacks are part of the experience. Get a piece of aluminum foil and crumble it to give it some texture. Fold the edges inwards to form a little tray and fold the inside into sections. You can decorate the chocolate bar using things like cookie crumbles, nuts, and chocolates. Just place them into the sections on the tray and melt some chocolate in a bag, then pour it over the tray. Tap it a bit against the table to get the air bubbles out and let this harden in the fridge. Peel off the aluminum and you'll have your own custom chocolate bar. It's easy to customize with whatever you already have at home, and every chocolate bar turns out completely different. It's almost like making edible art. Some of the most special decorations are the ones that already have a story behind them. Instead of keeping little treasures hidden away in the drawer, you can turn them into something that you get to see every day. You can use anything from seashells you've collected over the years to random charms you found. All you need to do is glue a magnet sticker to the back. You can also decorate your magnets by arranging multiple seashells or charms together. This is a fun way to give old treasures a new purpose instead of letting them sit forgotten. Plus, it makes your space feel so much more like you. Why wait for a special occasion to do the little things that make you happy? Life is too short to wait for the right moment, so buy yourself flowers on a random Tuesday just because you can. Learning to arrange a flower bouquet is such a low-effort but rewarding activity to do after a long day. You can find videos online for very elaborate flower arrangement tutorials, or you can simply cut the stem to the right length and place them in the jar. Arranging flowers is such a simple way to slow down after a long day and make your space feel more alive. Even a small bouquet can completely change the feeling of a room. The best accessories are the ones that feel like they were made just for you. Adding little colorful details to everyday items is such an easy way to show your personality and make them feel more special. All you need are these colorful little chains that you can connect together. Push them together to combine them until you have a long chain of the right length. You can either wear them as a layered bracelet or use safety pins to hang them on your bag. These little chains are such a fun way to personalize your style. Plus, you can switch them around whenever you want a new pop of color. You don't need a big transformation to feel a little more magical. Adding tiny details to yourself, like a sparkly design, can make you feel like the main character in your own little adventure. Get a thick piece of craft tape and press it onto a non-stick surface. Draw out your tattoo designs like hearts or stars. I would recommend choosing something that's not too complicated since you'll need to carve out your design. To carve it out, it's easiest if you use an X-Acto knife and you can just go along the lines you drew. Peel this off and transfer it to wherever you want your temporary tattoo to be. Add a thin layer of glue over it and sprinkle on a thick layer of glitter. Shake off the excess and peel off the tape. This is such a fun way to experiment with your style and add a little sparkle wherever you want. A tiny glitter tattoo can instantly make your day feel a little brighter. If you love cute accessories but want something that feels more personal, this is the perfect little DIY. You can create something that matches your style instead of searching for the perfect one in stores. All you need is some string and a bunch of colorful beads. I bought these beads in a set online and have been absolutely obsessed with making little jewelry and key charms for myself. You can be as creative as you want, but literally all you need to do is loop the beads over the rope and tie it together at the end. The best part is that there are endless combinations, so every charm can be completely different. Add it to your keys, bag, or phone to instantly make it feel more like you. I love collecting little pieces of everyday life, especially things that would normally be thrown away. Turning random scraps of paper into tiny pieces of art is such a fun way to make ordinary things feel more meaningful. As you can see, I've been collecting these little stamp cutouts for a while now. All you need is a piece of packaging with interesting designs that you would otherwise throw away, and use the stamp cutter to cut out the patterns. These little stamp cutouts are like tiny memories you can save and use in future projects. It's a simple way to add more color, creativity, and personality to the things around you. I love accessories that feel like they came straight out of a fairy tale. Adding little handmade details to your outfit is such a fun way to make your style feel more playful, colorful, and personal. Get a metal wire and loop in a bunch of these tiny beads. Once you have about an inch, twist it into a loop to form the petal of a flower. Repeat this 5 times to get 5 flower petals and make your flower. Keep making these flowers and connecting them together through the petals until you have a chain that's long enough for your wrist. I love that every piece can be completely different depending on the colors and flowers you create. It's like carrying a little garden with you wherever you go. Growing up doesn't mean you have to stop decorating things just because they're practical. Sometimes the most magical objects are the ones you decide to make a little extra special. You can pick literally any item in your house and bedazzle it by sticking gemstone stickers all over it. You can probably find these gemstone stickers at your local dollar store, and if you're lucky, you might even be able to find ones of different shapes and sizes. These little sparkly details are a simple way to make your everyday life feel a bit more playful. Sometimes creating your own magic is as easy as adding a little bit of glitter and shine. Let me know in the comments which idea was your favorite, and if you tried any of these, I would absolutely love to see them.